Zoom room, shall we, and go to the Director of Marketing for CPL, Angela La Rosario, because IT&E, which is a company under the CPL umbrella, so generously has donated data services, right, La? And thanks for joining us. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. So we've donated tablets and data services to both GRMC and GMH to help with the families during this pandemic. The services and tablets were donated since last year. However, it was only supposed to be for a few months, but not knowing, when we're going to get out of this situation, and with everything that's gotten a lot worse, I think we wanted to make sure that people were still able to communicate with their family. We've got an increase in hospital stays. We've got an increase in ICU admittance. So yeah, we decided, let's extend it. Family members can't be with their family to comfort them. So at least they've had this communication that we can provide at no cost to the hospitals at all, or to the families.
And this donation is pretty significant. I mean, we're talking thousands of dollars is being, donated to support our frontliners.
Yeah, so it's a total of $20,000 total dollars that we've donated in services and tablets. So yeah, it's a pretty significant amount, and of course, we're willing to do everything and anything to help our island, help our consumers, help those families that just can't stay in touch. It's heartbreaking to not be able to be with your family members when they need you. And at least this gives them some way of seeing how they're doing, talking to them, communicating with them, comforting them. I'm sure it's pretty lonely in the hospital, and when you can't see or talk to your family members, it's hard on you. It takes a mental toll. You're already going through this physically and mentally, at least it's the most we can do.
Right, La. I mean, we actually took a tour of the hospital a few weeks back, and they were just really talking about how valuable these tablets are, and I'm not just the nurses communicating with the patients, but like you said, the patients being able to communicate with their families, which is something that we didn't have early on in the pandemic. So this donation is just so crucial, and really, I think, indicative of our Inafat Maulik spirit, La.
Agree. It's not just for the patients. I know a lot of nurses and doctors, they're staying overtime, trying to really help with the pandemic, help with the patients there. A lot of them don't get to go home, right on time, like their regular schedule. So it also helps them still stay in touch with their families, their kids. Some kids are still doing distance learning. It's hard for them to really keep in touch with them. So it benefits the patients, it benefits the staff. We want to do our parts to at least keep people connected.
Well, La, we really appreciate you coming on and just being able to share this bit of good news with us. As of course, as TPL and IT&E, both big parts of our Link family of sponsors. So we definitely appreciate the great things you're doing in the community, La.
Thank you. Anytime, we're always there to help out the community when they need us.
Thanks, you.
Thanks, La.
Thanks, guys.
Right.
Be safe. Wear your mask. Wash your hands.
Wash your fat.
Yes, please.
Hey, it's 8:29.
That is the unofficial 11th commandment, right? That is the unofficial 11th commandment.
Yeah. Always good advice.
Yeah.
Grandma used to say. Hey, it's 8:29. We're going to take a quick break, and we're coming back with more of the Link next. Good morning.
Breast cancer is the second leading cause of cancer death in